Hey and welcome to my channel. I'm Zito and today I will show you another trading platform. And basically we are here. It's a site like Crypto that we recorded before. The link about the film is on the description. And basically this is the site. It's simple to register. You just need to go to sign up, and if you want to get something at beginning, you need to type here your email. It will be of course in the description, and after that you probably need to accept the account on your email. That's it. So I will log in again, and that's my account. Like you see, I just deposit something and lose because I was playing before for check if it's like that site basically for you. And here we have in deposit, we can deposit only via BTC address for now. Maybe in future we will get different addresses, I mean by Ethereum or just bank. And yes, that's it. With withdraw also with BTC, Bitcoin. Sorry for misspelling. Today I'm fucked up a little bit. And here we have the Bitcoin, and basically you can exchange Bitcoin to USD to bet, or that will be more easier to do. And basically that's it if you're talking about that. And if you're talking about the deposit, I forgot to say, I will give you the CoinMarketCap, the calculator from Bitcoin to USD to calculate how much money do you want to deposit. And okay, here we are. That's something about them. If you want to read about for traders, how to buy Bitcoin, customer support center, basically if you have any ask, or here we are just those questions, the typical questions they made, you find here, or you can just click there and message if you have any questions or problems. How to buy Bitcoin I just told you, and here we are. Okay, so I will show you now how to basically start trading. You have here, or in your dashboard profile you have the same button, and basically we are here. Here we have the chart, and the system works similar to the other site, Crypto that I showed you few days before. And if you want to check it out, like I said before, you have it on the description. And now when we are here, I will show you some trade. And basically it's going down, so I will bet, I don't know, $10 up. Can try. Okay, I did it too early, so I will bet more. Okay, we need to click here because it would not work, and we lose money. Okay, too much. Let's start only with 10 like I did now. Who can try put another $20 swap? I think we will going up. It should be, if not, well, happens, right? So I will speed it up a little bit, and we'll see if we win. Okay, and here we are. Probably lost money. Yep, we did. Okay, so now I have no clue what to do because that's pretty coin flip. They are on the same amount. That can go up or down. Okay, let's check it. Okay, it's going up randomly, so we can put more money like that and go down. And now it can go up because before it was a lot up, like you see here, but it can go down. That's coin flip. And like you see, we lose money again. Well, that's hazard. What can I expect? We lose or we win money. And we lost money, a significant amount of money, and I will bet now it will be down. Wait, 75 down. If you lose everything, fuck it. At least we had fun, right? It sounds so fucking corny, like that Instagram pages, if you know what I mean. Okay, it's not going down, I think. Okay, so we lose money. We have 30 seconds to see if you lose. That's pretty probably. Well, we have not luck today, or do we win? Okay, he's jumping around like a monkey. Well, did we win? No, we lost. Okay, that was everything. I lost all the money that I had. Well, thanks for watching. Say in comments if you lost money or did you earn more. Comment you in comment section, and thanks again for watching. See you soon on other videos. All links are on the description. Yes, thanks again for watching. Bye.